Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to place bracket order in Delta Exchange using its API in Python. Okay, so I just show you what is mean by placing bracket order. Okay, so I have done some of the videos which you can check in my channel. So especially I have shown how you can place stop loss order and how you can place a limit order. Okay, so stop loss order means it is for placing a stop loss order. Limit, it is for target order. Okay, and in this case what happens, this order if I try to place, okay, it will consist of some of the orders which is related to the required stuff. Okay, I mean as of right now I think I can't do changes when I try to place the orders which is from the exact open orders. Okay, so if I have to change anything, I have to get first the main position book, and then only I can do some of the changes. So here stop orders will be there. If I try to do any kind of a changes from here, I need to do. Okay, and I think I've been done from this position book. Okay, so especially if I have to edit, I just get in my mobile and can do changes. Okay, so I can edit any of these things. Okay, I can add or I can place a target or say take profit or say stop loss. Okay, so easily I can do. I think from this is a little bit getting impossible as of right now. I don't know why, but I think from your mobile you can do changes as per your need. Okay, so you try to see how you can do the changes. Okay, and from this if you want to do, you just have to change from here. Okay, you can do changes as per by clicking on this stuff. Since I'm doing from an program, okay, so I mostly won't do it manual way. Okay, so if you want to do, you can try from this sides, and if you are doing from mobile, I think it will be directly from here itself. Okay, so especially I have been done an option selling which is of 41 lot size, and my take profit is around, I have been given as an example to show you as an 100, and I can as a stop loss, I think it is nearby our estimated liquid price. Okay, there is one more thing which you can do. You can go with as of kind of a limit order, placing your limit as well as a stop loss price. Okay, but there is one more thing is there. Within you can go with the market order, even in option selling as well. You can go with the market order, placing take profit and stop loss, and it is one of the best. So instead of placing any kind of a limit price and within that you need to square up and all those things, I think it will be better that if you place a bracket order. So what happens, it will be a contained in an environment, and in bracket order, if you go with any kind of other brokers, there is a bracket order, cover order will be there in bracket order. If you try to place orders, if any of the open orders get cancelled, immediately the other orders will get cancelled. So either take profit, if it covers we got, okay, immediately other things will get cancelled, and as in sell as well happens the same. Okay, but I think in this case the disadvantage of placing any kind of a other stop loss order as an open order. Okay, suppose if you didn't get hit or liquid price, so suppose you are not allowed to place above the liquid price or below the liquid price or whatever the estimated. So for sure you have to give certain things which is get clicked. Okay, but I think there's a disadvantage in between anything happens if the orders remain. Okay, if you try to place a target or stop loss, anything first hits, another won't get cancelled, and say suppose the prices fluctuates, it try to stop loss get hit, and one more open position you will get. Okay, so to avoid, better place a bracket order. It is one of the best. Okay, and if you wanna implement any kind of a logic placing this, first of all there will be an open positions will be there, then only you can place a bracket order. For that you need to make sure If you try to place limit order and it is not executed, it won't be available. Okay, so you need to see. Now one more thing which I need to discuss, you can visit in my channel, you can check some of the videos, even you can check in my website with the code. Okay, so as of right now, one important video which I must say you should check, that this authenticate to place order or fetch account related information using Delta API. Okay, because if you get to this their pip install, okay, you won't be able to allow place as a bracket order. Okay, and still I don't know why they have been allowed some of the orders, but I am unable to place the order with the help of their given API. Okay, and I think there is no as of related to coding I have seen over there. Okay, so I have to do it by myself. So you need to first of all authenticate and need to follow the API. Okay, so first of all we'll copy this paste, and in the background I will paste some of this stuff. Okay, because this is required stuff. And in this case what I'm doing, I will just try to perform this thread operation, which is create, read, update and delete. Okay, so this is important video, you must watch. Okay, there is no if and but, then only you will get these things which are as of right now I'm doing. Okay, so next part is that we try to read some of the API, I mean some of the things which is called from the request. Okay, and that can be executed through Postman, some CLI command line interface. I mean as from the command prompt from the browser. Okay, so there are a number of ways which you can execute. Okay, and to get all those stuffs, you know, to have an account. Okay, so just click on this link, go with the sign up, open an account, and like you can follow this process. So first of all, to get with any kind of account related stuff, you need to follow authentication. Okay, the rest of the getting data, you want to like give it kind of a API credentials and all. Okay, so I'm doing a step-by-step video. I mean this is one of the information video. If you are missing any kind of as an API from this stuff, okay, you can follow the authentication rule. So that will be kind of a basics. Okay, important stuff, and from that you can create your own kind of a library and kind of a own some kind of a rules and regulations you can add. Okay, so I think we got now what I'm talking about from here. I just show you. So there is a kind of a batch orders, basket orders, so many other stuffs are there which we try to get as much as possible. We'll definitely gonna do it in my next video, but as of right now I just want to show you the main stuff. Okay, so we'll see whether I have to do or not, but this is one of the best. So if I have to see batch create, like orders or something, which you have to do this stuff, and if I have to get information, I will be these places. So if you just click on this one, and as you see there is a authenticate is required, so we have to follow this. If I click on this place bracket order, this is the stuff which we have to go. Okay, and this is the body parameters which I have to supply over there. Okay, so this is the definitely a limit order is there, and I'm placing a market order. Okay, so only I have to give is a stop price. Okay, and even in this also I can place a take profit, in which I have to give two things, so the stop price and limit price, and that is also can be done. Okay, and I have to get ready with my product ID and product symbol. I think you can call the product symbol as it is, and even a number of videos are there which you can get your product ID. Okay, so especially what you can do, if you want to get straight away, just Control Shift I and you will get a margin position. I've already given the information related to this in my video which is authenticated. Okay, this is only you need to follow, so this is must. Okay, please go with it. So if I do this stuff, so I will try to take some of this stuff, so it will be like order brackets. We need to remember this stuff. Okay, there will be path will be there which we try to get over there, and this body parameters is must. Okay, so we'll try to do play around, and I will get you some information. Okay, now I think our part is done, and even what I will do, just cancel this stuff, and once again I will show you this stuff. Okay, so if I'll get back, this thing will be placed once again. Okay, so first of all I will paste some of the stuff in the background. Okay, so and some of the stuff I should try to take it from here. The parameters, I think here we are good. Okay, nothing is required. I have to do changes in the main, and if I give all the stuff, we will be able to do it as per required. Okay, so I think here we are done. Okay, so we are only coming back when we are placing this stuff. Okay, so let's get back to our ID and I'll show the stuff. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in my ID and I'm get ready with my product ID and product symbol and all of the stuff I have been given, but some of the stuff I need to change. Okay, whatever will be the changes will be there. So first of all, this is a post. Okay, and v2 orders will be there, and what I'm doing, I'm placing an bracket order. Okay, so this is I have to go. Okay, and you should not miss a single stuff. Okay, so if you think about orders and a bracket, and definitely query string is not required. Copy the response body string. Okay, I need to paste. Just a minute. So if I place here, so it will be instead of body underscore string. Okay, so this is base URL path, each and everything is there. So here I will place. Okay, so and product ID is definitely something else, and if I started, I can say as a body underscore string, anything whichever I like I can say, and definitely I'm gonna do changes. First of all, this need to be dumped. Okay, so all I have to say, I think right now a little bit I'm getting confused. Okay, because I think I've been pasted two stuff and I don't know how it came here. Okay, maybe I pasted twice or something like that. Okay, but it doesn't matter. We just have to load some of the stuff. Okay, and we can say as a body equals JSON, okay, dot loads of a body string. So that is how we can say here, and we all just take it out. We no need this stuff. Even payload is not required, only body will be enough to carry what I'm looking for. Okay, this payload we can take it out. So whichever way you want to say, you can say, and you need to import one more thing, that will be JSON. Okay, so here we are good, and we just in a data has to say equals body. Okay, so to follow this stuff, and I think everything is good. Payload is not required. Okay, I think yes, that's what I'm talking about. Is messing up something. Okay, and yes, we need to check the product ID, which is this. Okay, I mean you need just the number, so I think that will be this, and you have to give the symbol, which is this. Okay, and you have to give market order. So whatever I just took it, I'm just changing it. I won't do much stuff here, and as I say, stop loss order is around liquidation price, so it will be 1600, and if I have to take profit, it will definitely a market order, and so I just take it out. I think it is getting close, so everything should be perfect, and let's make profit should be this, and I will just keep it 100, so immediately at least it won't get square off or something or take profit. And if I keep position also, it doesn't matter. Okay, let's say BOID, okay, will be good. Okay, and yes, I think everything is good. I'm able to place, and just take it out, this stuff it is not required. Good. Okay, so let's paste this stuff and see what can be done. Though some confusions are there, but I think whatever it is in the end, what you need to follow is syntax, and everything will be perfect. So if I just get the statement as everything is good and place the order, then it will be the best. Okay, I tried to rectify some errors. I think it won't be loads, it will be dumps, and I think one more error it will get, that is instead of get it should be post. Okay, and let's see this stuff. Okay, so I think I'm able to place the order. Okay, and let's check our trading website. You can see I've been perfectly placed our target and SL as I've executed this stuff. Okay, so I must say do try this stuff, and if you have doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.